Yeah, Peter's wool stacking went well. Yeah. That's so fun. While they're down here, I might as well have a bit of fun, like. Man, wouldn't life be miserable if you didn't have a bit of fun? Huh? Right, that's enough play, Sam. That's enough play, Sam. I need to do something. I might go and wall a gap, actually. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, as the deliveries come, I've got him to subscribe. Yeah, he's going to subscribe for me. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to summer holidays, I'm not going to lie. The amount this costs when they're in school. My shopping averages around £300, £350, and it'll last me a couple of weeks, maybe 3 at a push. Well, like, this has lasted 4. I meant to get it last week, but I didn't. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to summer holidays.
Job done, 2 fields at Dent, 8 acre, mown. Probably pissed down now.
So that was Oliver mowing Dent. So we have a bit of land that we rent at Dent. He rents it off his gran. So that's where Peter lives, in his big C van. That's where they live, so he's been dropping grass there last night. That was his footage of mowing. So we've got a bit of acreage down now. So we'll just do what we can. That's all you can do. The weather's so unpredictable this week, but it's you know, getting late into July now. We need some fog for the lambs, and so it's basically snatch and grab. I think there's an odd drizzle here and there, so what can you do? So yeah, see how we get on. Get into the spaying time soon, taking the lambs off the mothers, and we need the lambs into grass, a bit of grass. So obviously we've nothing now until we start cropping, so that's why we're going to do a bit now, then we're prepared for spaying. Or pulling off store lambs and we can put them into somewhere where they're handy and they've got a bit of grass, so that's why. And it's getting late on.
To the center of your core, the lies are
as you can see, there's the odd rush in our meadows. So this is what a rush is. One of these. All these. Don't really like them. Don't really want them. But it's what you get on a hill farm. Rushes. Oliver says it adds to the taste. Well, it's only for cows, this stuff. So yeah, they'll eat it. They'll chew it. They'll eat it if they're hungry. But anyway, we usually spray them off, but we haven't done this time. We just haven't got time. But usually you can mow them for... So if you have a nice flat pasture with a load of rushes in it, you can mow it and bale it and use it for bedding. Just saves a bit of money on straw. So this pasture's full of rushes, but this pasture's too rough. Too rough to mow, really. And too wet. Yeah, definitely too wet. But if you do have a nice sort of dry pasture with rushes in that isn't hard to mow, then get it mown for bedding. Yeah. Just in the fields is mown. Yeah. So on hill ends, it can sometimes catch and sort of do that. So I have to go around and move the sods, chuck the sods to one side. We don't want to be baling soil, do we? That's not good. So I'm going to chuck all that out. Cuts in too deep. So I'll just shove it in back at buggy and chuck it out somewhere. Make sure there's no else. Oh, that's everywhere. All the hill ends I'll have to go around. Oh God. Soily. So it's the next day. We're now rowing, baling. It has been spitting. It's not very good, but everyone's in the same boat. Luckily we're under pressure. Well, not luckily, but we're under pressure. So Mum's got the children, all 5, which is marvellous of her. So we've dropped quite a few acres, so we need to crack on. Very rough, very wet. It's not a time to dry up, you see. Oh, my hair's awful, but I can't even concentrate on what I look like. So we're just trying to get it before it gets worse. So we're going to try and get it all today. Yeah, wish us luck. But anyway, it is what it is. Quite a few bales up to now, actually. I'm surprised. So yeah, see how we get on. We've done them 2 fields. Not sure bale count like, but we haven't made too much of a mess. No, that was alright. My rowing's a bit dodgy like, but well, he's not happy in some cases, but it's just that groshy and heavy. He's having to concentrate a lot. I'm just trying to get over the narrowest bridge in the world. I hate it. Hang on. All the bales look pretty good, considering it's that, you know, heavy. Oliver's just finishing that field. I'll go and row another field. Some narrow gateways. Well, I know my rake's 9 foot, so or is it 8 foot? See, I can't even remember. Oh, plenty of room, Sam, plenty of room. Yeah, no problem. Into the next field I go. That's the widest it can go, and I'll just nip it in a little bit. This is it, revs back on.
It's so unnecessary dwelling about the past, 'cause I know is good, He led me to where I'm at. Sometimes I feel like giving up, you're giving in, but everything happens for a reason. It won't always be blue skies ahead. Sometimes you might need a helping hand, just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron sharpens iron, making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together. It's so unnecessary worrying about life. I might not have it all, but I know I'll be alright. He's gonna challenge me to be the best I can be, and to give back to those who need it. It won't always be blue skies ahead. Sometimes you might need a helping hand, just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron sharpens iron, making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together. Iron sharpening iron, making me stronger, calling me higher, calling us higher. Sharpening iron, calling me higher. Just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron sharpens iron, making us
That's me done in here. Off to the next section over there. Peter's landed, he's wrapping bales now. Yeah, job's a good one. In the next field now. Better shut this gate. Don't want the cows getting in. That'll do. Yeah. So obviously it's not brilliant stuff, but it's grass is grass, isn't it? Silage is silage. You have to get it. The weather isn't great, but what can you do? We're into July now, we need to be getting it, so. Right, we'll carry on. It's not rained since that little shower before, so that's good. Yeah, look on the bright side, guys. A lot of motorbikes, it's the weekend, so there's a lot of motorbikes. So we've just got a massive field and 2 more to do. So hopefully there's some nice weather later on in the month.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. this one chance, you will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the sun.
I don't know if you can hear me very well, but I'll shout up. I need to invest in a microphone, don't I? Yeah, thanks very much for subbing. I asked in the other video if you could subscribe. It means a lot, like, so thank you. We're trying to get to 5k by the end of July. We'll see if we can make it. Yeah, just on with the best field we have now. It's the flattest, it's the driest, it's the best crop. It's a lot lighter actually, this stuff. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. Usually we get this quite dry, usually we get it all dry, but it's not going to happen this year. At least we've got some good stuff that we made 2 or 3 videos ago. The day I had my baby is the day we got the other crop. Yeah, so it's good stuff. I keep forgetting I have front links on and I'm just going to knock a wall in, aren't I? It's alright. I'm not gonna though. I'm very careful and steady on machinery. Not like Peter, he's a bit rambash. So yeah, we're a bit under pressure today to get it all finished before the rain comes. So my mum's got all 5 children. Honestly, she's a superstar. I can't rely on anyone else. You can't rely on anyone else but your mother. That's it. For me anyway. You know, I don't have many friends. I don't really have any friends. Apart from my sisters. I don't go out. I don't go anywhere. So, you know, I do have friends I see now and then. Well, I don't actually see any. I just see them in the street or whatever. I'll say hi, but I don't have friends really. But it's not ailing me. I don't mind. I'm happy with my little family. They're my friends. If I'm lonely, you know, I don't want to go somewhere on my own, I'll just take a child and you've got a friend. So, and I have 5. So I class myself as being very lucky. You don't need much in life. Family's all you need. That's my rake off, and now I'm wrapping. Just want to wind this up a bit more. Don't like it down there. There's that many hills and bad shops, it'll probably just dig in. Right, I've most of them to wrap now. Peter's done a gear few. First 2 fields, but there's 3 more to do. So I best get cracking. I suppose this place has its advantages. Steam train. Oh, well, that tipped off at a bad angle. Oh man. Oh, I'm sure Peter will get it. See, with being on a hill farm and round bales, they don't go well together, do they? So you have to get the right angle to tip off, or they'll be off down there. So I'm tipping into a hill here, so it should be okay. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh wow. Oh sugar. I thought it was going to bash in that bale then. Well, that's not too bad. I'm very lucky with that one. Very lucky. Woo! Yeah. Very moist, guys. Very moist. Oh God. Oh no. Oh, how lucky is that? So difficult. Oh, what a nightmare. I've just hauled it. Tried to get it and it just rolled. Woo! Close one.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl.
That's us finished now. Looks like Dad's been doing a bit of strimming. Oh, he makes it look tidy, does Dad. Now it looks like we own the place. Well, not own it, but you know what I mean. Well kept. Right, put wrapper off. Bales to cart. Well, I can't. We haven't got an extra bale lifter. So it's just Peter and Oliver. Let's see how many bales I've wrapped today. Oh, 230. Oh, that's not bad. And then obviously Peter's wrapped two fields worth, so I don't know how many was in there. Yeah, real job. So while the lads are getting the bales in, there isn't another cuddler or a lifter, so I can't help out with my vultures, so I'm gonna go and put the ruts in. Yeah, the night's still young, 8:30, 8:45. It'll take them a while to get them in, like, so I'll go put some ruts in, make myself useful.
You know the drama is never ending. Let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get you. Paralyzed in every part. Oh, you feel it taking over you.
So if you notice, there was a massive Ferguson land with a front and back lifter. That's Peter's mate, well, and Oliver's mate, but he's just a friend, and he's come to help out cart the bales. So Daniel Potter Wharton, is a TikTok sensation. Check him out. He's called That Farmer Lad You Can. He's pretty popular in the TikTok department, and yeah, he's some man. So yeah, he's come to help out, which is nice. It's nice when locals come and help. Eases the stress a little bit. So yeah, I'll carry on with my ruts and get eaten alive by midges. I'm going to be a spotty bird in the morning. 10:30 at night, putting my ruts in. Thought I'd go and look at that heifer. Yeah, got myself bogged. Oh God, that's all we need. Oh.